Hello there, lovelies. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. I hope you're all doing well by God's grace. In today's video, I'm sharing with you 2 ways you can make this delicious coconut biscuit. It is Ghanaian's favorite street snack and it is also called Pollo. Let's get right into it. For this recipe, you can use desiccated coconut or you can use fresh coconut. I prefer to use fresh coconut. So, with the help of my hammer, I've opened up the coconut, taken out the coconut water, and then we'll be removing the coconut fruit. And yes, coconut is a fruit. I'll set the coconut water on the side and then I'll remove the coconut fruit out of the shell, give it a rinse, and then slice it very nicely. You can as well go ahead to grate your coconut, but I'm trying to go the easy way. I'm going to use my food processor to blend it, okay, until I get a very nice, smooth coconut. In a separate bowl, I have my flour, my salt, baking powder, and then I'm grating some nutmeg. I'll add in my sugar and then whisk it all together. I'll make sure to leave the detailed ingredients in my description. At this point, I'll add in my butter and then I'll be rubbing the butter with the flour together. And once that is all combined very well, I'll add in 4 cups of my grated or blended coconut. And then we'll mix it all together. I'll add in a cup of coconut water, my vanilla extract, or you can use vanilla essence. You would want to get your hands in it because we're about to form this into a dough. Okay, so I will be mixing until everything is well combined. Today happens to be your first time on this channel. Hello there and thank you. Welcome, welcome. I really appreciate you for stopping by. Kindly subscribe if you have not done so. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you. God bless you. Once the dough has come together beautifully, I'll go ahead to use my rolling pin to roll it out. And please try not to roll it out too flat. You want to roll it out into about 1 inch, okay? And you can use a pizza cutter or any dough cutter to slice it up just the way you're seeing it in the video. And then I'll go ahead to slice it in my preferred shape. And the shape that you're going to see me slicing it is actually the authentic way or how it is sliced in Ghana. But you can slice it in any shape that you prefer. All right. So earlier on, I mentioned that I'm going to show you 2 ways you can enjoy this cookie. The first way is baking. I'll be baking this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. And then in my heated oil, I'll be frying this until it is golden brown. So you can enjoy this cookie baked, you can enjoy it fried. Now, the authentic way or how we enjoy it mostly in Ghana is the fried way. But yes, you can definitely bake it as well. And that's the healthier option. I'm all done frying the first batch. I'll go ahead and drop in the second batch and make sure to fry it until it is golden brown. It is so delicious and you will love it. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. So I have here the baked coconut biscuit and the fried coconut biscuit. And yes, Ghana, we call this polo. Yes, it is a street snack, a popular street snack. It is so delicious. My children really loved the baked one, and I also enjoyed the fried one. I'm not sure which one will be your favorite, but they're both very delicious. Thank you for staying with me until this time. God bless you. Please stay safe. Bye, guys.